Just formed your limited company and wondering how and when you need to file your first set of accounts with Companies House? Missing this filing can lead to penalties, but don't worry. In this video, we'll walk you through exactly what you need to know and do. Hi, Bryn here from Rapid Formations. Once your limited company is formed, you're legally required to file annual accounts every year with Companies House. To help you, here are 4 things you need to know in order to file your first set. To begin with, you need to know what period your accounts will cover. Your first set of accounts normally covers a period of just over 12 months from the day your company was incorporated to the end of your first financial year. That financial year automatically ends on the last day of the anniversary of the month when you incorporated your company. So, if you formed your company on, say, 10th of April 2024, your first financial year ends on the 30th of April 2025. Secondly, you need to be aware of your deadline. You must file your first accounts with Companies House within 21 months of your incorporation date. Let's say you incorporated on 10th of July 2024. Your filing deadline would be the 10th of April 2026. But don't leave it that late. You risk fines ranging from £150 to £1,500 if you're late. And if you leave it any longer, other penalties can also apply, like losing your company. Thirdly, we recommend that you get a qualified accountant to prepare the actual accounts for you. Accounts must meet specific legal and accounting standards, and even a small mistake can lead to rejection by Companies House or broader issues. Check out a recent video, Do I Need an Accountant for My Small UK Business?, where we discuss what you need to know about getting an accountant. Finally, to actually file the accounts, you'll usually do this online rather than sending anything in the post. This can either be done through your accounting software package, if you're using one, or through Companies House's web filing service. It should be noted Companies House will soon require submissions to be made only through approved software. Paper filings and other online submissions are being phased out, so keep an eye on this. Most accountants will file your accounts on your behalf through their software, which is the easiest and most reliable option. This will save you valuable time and reduce the chance of errors or rejections. Remember, if your company hasn't started trading yet, you still need to file your annual accounts. Dormant companies do not get an exemption. If you need to file dormant company accounts, Rapid Formations can handle this for you with no stress, no paperwork, and guaranteed acceptance by Companies House. Just click the link in the description and we'll complete your filing in just 1 working day. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and check out our other videos for more tips on running your UK company the right way. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.